I gotta go to school again. I hate school. Oh wow, let's just go to school, I guess. Okay, class, today we're gonna learn math and stuff. And we're gonna teach about all kinds of stuff. Hey man, what? I have an idea. What is it, man? I'm gonna pretend to go to the bathroom so I can pull the firearm. Go do it, man. Excuse me, Bob and Kim, be quiet. You're in class. Oh, I'm sorry. Anyways, today we're gonna learn about. Hey, Miss Lewis, can I use the bathroom? Sure, but be quick. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, she thinks I'm in the bathroom, but I'm really gonna pull the firearm as a prank. This is gonna be funny. I'm gonna pull a firearm as a prank and get everybody out of the building. There's no fire drill scheduled today, so we're gonna film and pull the firearm. Here we go. Is there anybody down the hallway? Nope. Let's pull this up. Let's pull it. Ooh. Later, back in class. Back in the classroom now. Anyways, class, what does 2 plus 2 equals? It equals 4. Oh, why is the firearm going off? We don't have a fire drill plan today. What the heck? We don't have a plan. Let's just get on the building anyways. Okay, we don't have a fire drill planned. It's not on the calendar, so I'm not sure why the alarm's going off, but we're outside. Okay, we're giving. Yes, principal? Yes, it's all clear now, so you can come in the building. It turns out the fire alarm got pulled. By who, though? We don't know. I mean, who would pull the fire alarm, principal? We're checking the cameras. Oh my gosh. Bob pulled the fire alarm. Hey, teacher. Bob pulled the firearm, Miss Lewis. Oh, that Bob, he's gonna get in so much trouble. Hey, Bob, come here. Go to the principal's office now, Bob. Yes, Principal Franklin? Yeah, we got a report on our security camera that you pulled the firearm. Is that true? Yeah, I just wanted to pull a prank on the people. It was funny. Well, that's not funny. You're pulling the firearm, and that's illegal. You know what? That's it. You're paying a big time fine, and you're suspended. No! I'm sorry, I was just being funny. Well, Bob, that's not funny, man. You're in big trouble.